like peanut butter.
Peanut butter? Peanut butter spaghetti? So you don't like it? So was it a 2 out of 10? 5. Well, I guess we won't be making this again. Hello YouTube. So today I am getting ready to make some dry spaghetti. I saw this YouTube video and it was a recipe. Usually I make regular spaghetti, but his son said it was a 10 out of 10. No, I think he said it was a 20 out of 10. So we're about to give it a gander and cook it. So I've already prepared my meat and garlic. I mean, not my meat and my meat and Italian sausage. Can you get it out? Is this thing on? It's just low. 4 tablespoons of 4 tablespoons of flour. 4, starting to sizzle. Now it's on, baby. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So this is a first. I've never ever in my life heard of putting flour in your ground beef and Italian sausage while you're cooking, after you cook it. So I don't know if that's what makes it dirty. I guess we're gonna find out. And then let's get our little tomato paste. 3 tablespoons. That's 1, 2. Let's just do another little scoop. Oh shoot! Well, 2 extra scoops wouldn't hurt. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Oh, 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 oh. Vegetables, these are red peppers. I already cut them up. Boop, boop, boop. Add my bell peppers. Boop. Looking like a little fiesta. Next, we're gonna add onions. Onions make you wanna cry. One thing about me, y'all gonna find out, I am extremely clumsy. I'm always knocking some shit over or falling or tripping. Now we're gonna add the Worcestershire sauce. And next, garlic paste. Get all that bad baby in there. Italian seasoning. Here you go, pudding. Bits of nature's own. Add our beef broth. This is the beef broth that I use because I think that's about done. Now it's time to add these noodles. And to make it looser, I took some of the water from my noodles and just put that and add a little bit of that. Loosened it up. And ladies and gentlemen, this is your dirty spaghetti. It is complete. Now let's see how it tastes. Some meat and vegetable up in here. Bon appetit.
I'll put that fork in there.
Not bad, but it needs a little bit more seasoning. I try to follow the rules, but I need a little bit more seasoning. But yeah, this is it, y'all. Stori! Come taste. Let me know what you think. Is it a success or is it a don't make this again? Time to get my little taste tester test. Any day, Stori. Now I'm about to get my little taste tester to decide if this is a hit or is it a cook it and don't cook it no more. All right, Piglet. All right, guys. I just finished it on up. Now I'm about to get my little taste tester to decide if this is a hit or is it a cook it and don't cook it no more. All right, Piglet. Let's find out if it approves my daughter's taste test. Look.
like a money.
All right. She wanted the spotlight. All right. Do drum roll, please.
It's hot.
It ain't that hot. She's so dramatic. What you think? Is it good? No?
It tastes like peanut butter.
Peanut butter? Peanut butter spaghetti? So you don't like it? So was it a 2 out of 10? 5. Well, I guess we won't be making this again. But thank you guys. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And next time we will try to make something a little better. Because, well, I think, did I try it? Let me see. Let's see if she just doing all, what's that word, cap? It ain't bad, but it ain't great. It's very eclectic.
Okay.
Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Signing out, Stori and Karan. Toodles.